Here we are again with a cheap light bulb. I bought it for like $1 and it's a 60 watt light and 8.5 watt power consumption. 806 lumens, Edison 27 socket. For some reason it's really inefficient, but that's another story. Just F out of almost the last, almost the worst efficiency. And let's see. Yeah, this is, I believe, the power factor 80 or something. Oh, yeah, it turns on in less than half a second to 60% light. Okay, so I guess it takes about a second to go to 100%. Something like that. 10,000 hours, 100,000 times switching on off, minus 20 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Only 40. Oh, yeah, these things can overheat. It doesn't have any mercury. What is this? HG. I think it's mercury. It doesn't have any. And yeah, 22, uh, 220 volts. Yeah, and where's the. Oh, yeah, warm white. I didn't read that on the front. Yeah, oh, it said warm right, but it didn't say 2700K. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it and tear it down because that's the interesting part to see what they innovated inside because usually like once every 1 or 2 years they refresh the circuit board and everything even though the specs remain the same mostly. Yeah, mostly the same. Oh, here's the model number, MK0623. I don't know exactly what it is, but yeah, let's see inside. Let's see how easy it is to. Ooh, that was easy. So yeah, let's see what we have here. This seems a bit familiar, but not entirely. So a two-chip design, a capacitor on the other side, and here's the lead probably, the power input, and yeah, let's see the chips. Zoom in. So one of the chips is MB10FS. This is probably a voltage regulator because it has, yeah, negative and positive. So it makes DC from AC probably. And this other one is BP5218. Yeah, can I magnify it some more? Yeah, yeah, you can read that. And all the other components, you can see the values there. So yeah, here's a component is missing here, a resistor. And yeah, this seems very standard, except for the fact that on the latest revision before this, it only had one resistor sense, RS1, RS2. So it only had one resistor to sense the current. So basically you can remove one of these to reduce the brightness if you want. I will probably try it out or just replace them with lower values. So yeah, this is a new this is new. Yeah. This is the model number. Can we see how it's wired? Because usually it has somewhere SMD 2830. Yeah, that's the size. But it should say S&P something or other. 2 in series, 3 in parallel. But we can see here that they are all in series. So that's an easy thing to find out, and probably that's why they don't show it on the board. So yeah, this was a quick teardown because it's really easy to get off the bulb. Was it glued in? Slightly glued in, but not really. On the previous bulb I took apart from Osram, uh, it was glued in like really, really tight. So yeah, this just goes back in. Maybe twist it or something. And yeah, it's as good as new. Nobody ever took it apart.